Hello, everybody. Hopefully you are on this Google Classroom. This is the Google Classroom you need to be on for literacy with Ms. Piro and myself. I will be doing all the modifications for you with the work that you need to do over this extended break. So this first video is just going to be a agenda video. I'm going to do an agenda video on what exactly you need to do each day, and then I'm going to do a reading video. So that way they're going to be separate only because I can only make a 15-minute video. That's the longest I can make. But it's good so you can kind of like tell what you have to do every day. All right. So this first one, I am going to talk about day 1 through 10 assignments. So anything that we gave you from the 17th, which was the first day that we closed, to the 30th, which was yesterday, you need to hand in. That was for the third marking period. So you need to make sure you hand it in. Either you take it to the school tomorrow, the 1st of April, or you send it via snail mail to the school. That's like with a stamp and all that into the mailbox, or you could take pictures and you can send it to my email. All right. I need that paperwork so that way we get it all done and we don't have to worry about the third marking period. Okay. Everything that we do on this extended break from the 31st to the 9th, right up to spring break, will be for the fourth marking period. So do not worry about having to get all that in ASAP. All right. I suggest you doing it the day that it's due. Excuse me. So that way it's not backed up. All right. So right here is where you can take pictures and you can send that assignment if you would want to, or you can, do the other two options with taking it to the school or sending it in the mail. Extended closure schedule. So this is what we are doing today, just to kind of go over it and explain exactly what you need to do. Okay, so extended closure is going to come up. So this is where you're going to find everything that you need to do every day. So the first thing you're going to do is a journal. So the first order of business is journal number 1. So we're going to go back to our classwork page. We are going to go, I'm going to close that up a little bit. We're going to go all the way down to the bottom where we have our journals. Okay, first you can click on this. This page here gives you all the journals between the 31st and the 9th, all in one document if you want to look at that. But this each journal has its own. Okay, so this is the screen that I have right now. As you can see, there's only three students in. Hopefully that gets up to the amount that is on my roster. But the 3 of you that are on, great job, awesome. Okay, so if you click on this. This is journal number 1. So I'm just going to read it from here. So day 1 journal for the 31st of March. 31st of March is a National Crayon Day. If you could be any color crayon in the box, what color would you be? Why would you choose this color? So I'm going to click on the journal prompts because it does explain to you exactly what you need to do for the journals. Make sure you do that because I don't want to take any points off. Okay. So at the top, it says the following journal prompts must be completed during the extended school closure due to COVID-19. All students must complete the journals via Google Docs or handwrite the journal and send that picture to the instructor. So you can actually put that into your writing notebook if you want, and you can write it by hand, and then you can take a picture of that and send it to me through my email. That's fine. I'm okay with that. Some people like to write things out rather than type it out. All journals must be a full page, double space, 14-point font if you are typing it. Okay, full page. We always write a full page. You got to make sure you do it that on Google Docs as well. So 14-point font is a little bit bigger. I'm allowing you to do that, or less. You can do it at 12-point if you want on Google Docs, and a full page in single space lined paper. So if you do it in your notebook, you can do a full page regular single space. Okay. Like I said, these are all the journals that you're going to do for the 8 additional days that we're going to be closed up through spring break. All right. So we're going to go back, do our extended closure schedule. So what you're going to do today, journals number 1, number 2, you're going to read an ELA article on the Italian internet. And then number 3, you're going to take the news ELA article Italian internet quiz. Now, on the back of, all the way at the end, like we do with our regular article of the week, there's always a quiz. Okay, so we're going to go back to our classwork, and I'm going to show you where you're going to find those quiz. Okay, ELA articles. So you can click here, and you'll find the PDF of the ELA articles. That's where you're going to read your article. And then if you see, it says ELA, News ELA quiz. So it's directly related to that article. So you're going to click on the internet quiz. Complete the quiz questions after reading the News ELA article on the Italian internet during the coronavirus. Quiz questions are at the end of the News ELA article. If you wanted to print out that article, you can. You're more than welcome to do that. And I don't know if you have that option at home. If not, you can just read it on the screen. So you're going to quiz questions are at the end of the article. Quiz may be completed on Google Classroom or a paper copy of the answer. So if you want to write down those answers and send me a picture of it via email, you can do that as well. However, this is pretty easy. So you're just going to click on that link there, and it's going to come up with a little quiz. All right, that comes directly from the actual article. All right, remember it's out of 4 questions, so you want to make sure you're getting those right. Okay, because you don't want to drop down to, you know, a 75, 50, 25. All right. Again, if you have any questions, you can always email me. You can send me any of your questions. Email is probably the easiest, but if you want to send me something through Google Classroom, you can do that. I will be posting these agenda videos every day. So make sure you're looking at Google Classroom. The agenda video will be up there, as well as the reading video. So make sure you're getting on there. All right, get all your work done. Be good. Be safe. Be healthy. 6 feet away, right? And we will hopefully see you guys soon. All right. Ciao.